There are many volcanoes in Africa that have been popping up over the last 250 years. As you can see, Africa is splitting on the easternmost side, and magma is oozing out, either erupting or forming these land features. As the rift diverges, the volcanoes grow, and their destructive force thrives. Volcanoes such as Urtael, Nyamurugura, Aldino Lingai, and Mount Kilimanjaro are some of the major volcanoes in Africa.
The tallest mountain in Africa and tallest freestanding mountain in the world, a mountain that is not in a chain but stands individually, is Mount Kilimanjaro, standing at 19,341 feet above sea level. One thing that makes Mount Kilimanjaro unique is that it has snow on the top, but is only 200 miles away from the equator in Tanzania. Snowcaps are found on the peak of Mount Kilimanjaro due to the decrease in temperature at higher elevations. As you increase in elevation, the air gets thinner, making it harder to trap heat. Thus, the temperature at the higher altitudes of Mount Kilimanjaro is very cold, making it harder to melt snow. Due to sublimation, when objects go from solid to gas, skipping the liquid phase, scientists believe that by 2040, all the snow on top of Mount Kilimanjaro will be gone. Mount Kilimanjaro has already lost 80% of its snow in the last 100 years. Mount Kilimanjaro has 3 peaks or volcanoes: Kibo, Mount Enzi, and Shira. Kibo is the tallest peak and is the only active volcano. The other 2 are extinct or do not erupt anymore. The last eruption was 200 years ago, but that was a small one. The last major eruption was 360,000 years ago. The word Kilimanjaro is believed to mean mountain whiteness.
Doral is a shield volcano, which is a type of volcano that is broad and domed with gently sloping sides and is located in the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. It is very active with 7 eruptions in the past 125 years and has been continuously erupting and spewing lava since its latest eruption in 1967. It is known for its persistent lava lake and is surprisingly only one of 3 volcanoes in the world to have a lava lake at all times. A lava lake is a large volume of molten lava that is contained in a crater or volcanic vent, and there are only 6 volcanoes in the world that have lava lakes. Although Doral may be cool, visiting the volcano can be dangerous. In 2012, a group of tourists were going to visit the volcano, and when they were climbing up, they were attacked and brutally murdered by a group of armed bandits. This is why, interestingly enough, if you visit the volcano, guards will escort you up to the top of the mountain to ensure your safety.
Nyamurugura is Africa's most active volcano, located in the western portion of the East African Rift. Coming in at a total of 34 eruptions since 1882, and recently erupting every 2 years, it is certainly a violent one. It's a shield volcano, meaning it is a smooth, dome-shaped mountain, and there are many vents and flanks, or openings on the side of the volcano. Eruptions in this volcano are unique, as many of them have actually left through the flanks and not through the center crater. Like Urtael, this volcano had lava lakes, but they have drained by now. The first drained in 1938 when a frank eruption pushed all of the lava out, and then one existed from 2014 to 2016 until it was drained as well. Also, trapped methane and carbon dioxide escape through the vents of the volcano and into Lake Kivu. This is dangerous, however, as a chemical reaction can overturn the lake and release these dangerous chemicals. It's been dangerous in the past and has led to many deaths. Anyway, these lava lakes exist because this volcano lava, as well as many others in the area, have much more liquid lava than the others around the country. This makes the lava much faster and mobile, making it more dangerous, although the only fatalities caused by eruptions occurred around 1912 to 1913. Even still, these eruptions are magnificent, the largest occurring in 2011 and reaching a height of 400 meters above the crater. This volcano existing is truly an epic consequence of Africa splitting.
The Old Doral Lengai is a volcano located in Tanzania. It stands at 9,718 feet above sea level. The lava in the volcano is different than most out there. Something very interesting is the type of lava that is erupted from the volcano, which is natural carbonatite lava, which means it is rich in sodium and potassium. It is different than silicone-type lava from other volcanoes. Due to this composition, the lava looks black when it hits sunlight. Over time, it cools and turns white. It also makes a crackling-type sound. Also, the temperature of the lava is much cooler. The temperature is about 510 degrees Celsius or 950 degrees Fahrenheit. Normal lava is about 900 degrees Celsius or 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a huge difference if you think about it. What also is interesting about the lava at the Old Doral Lengai is that the viscosity of the lava is much lower, so the lava travels much faster than any other lava. So if you were around the volcano, you would have a much less chance of survival based on the speed that the lava is traveling. The last recorded eruption of the volcano was August 7th, 2018.
In conclusion, these major volcanoes along the East African Rift will build up and become more destructive because of the plate tectonics around their locations. They each have something cool about them that makes them unique but can be deadly at the same time.